Good morning, and this is my first flight after the flight services has resumed in India, then the domestic sector. I mean, today is 15th of June, so it's like around on a 7 days. It's been a week when the flight services has been initiated. I'll just take you through how the airport looks like right at this point of time. It is definitely giving a different look. So let's have a look into the airport that we are having. Security. I just done my security check-in, so you can see how the security looks like. I mean, it's like it is giving a deserted look. On the other side of the security, you can see hardly any men there, any person, very rare. However, it is not the case in most of the time. It is like overcrowded Calcutta airport, especially at this point of time. And you can just see that the number of passengers are very low, hardly. I mean, it's very less. The smoking zone is even now. This is also giving a deserted look. It's purely giving a deserted look. Hardly any passengers over here. Here you can see only one passenger waiting. I mean, he's just waiting, and many of the shops are like closed. And this one happened to be a resto bar. I can see the brands, the Heineken, the Smirnoff, and the Ultra, but nothing is on sale as of now. Everywhere they're talking about having a safe journey, so it's giving a pretty deserted look right at this point of time. I'll just go and buy some tea. That's what I'm planning to buy from Vishwa Bangla. And I think this shop, most of the shops in fact are like absolutely empty, and this is also an empty shop. Just had some tea. I bought some tea from first flush and second flush Darjeeling tea. I bought it from Vishwa Bangla. And as I was talking that this is how the airport looks like. It looks pretty deserted. It really looks deserted. Like trying to go up and figure out what are the things there. Oh, it's not moving. So even they are like minimizing the cost of running the whole airport, because probably at around 10% of the total number of passengers. That's the maximum I think I can see here. I came a bit early because that was probably the instruction. And you can see here, it looks pretty deserted across. I mean, this is how it looks. So let us go to the smoking zone, which is dirty but empty. And this is the travel club lounge and bar, and it's like closed, so they have barred entry, and ideally it is like jam packed. Most of the times this is purely jam packed, and other lounges are totally closed. Once again a deserted look everywhere. You can see here it's totally deserted. The shops, United Colors of Benetton, hardly any look at Tanishq. That once again a deserted look. Some army professionals chatting among themselves. Some of them are wearing the a type of PPE. I won't call them it as a PPE, but is a type of overall I can call them. It's a coverall gown, and everyone with mask. That's how probably life looks like. Coffee day. Well, I just need to put some amount of money there, help them reviving the economy. So I will just go and maybe let me see. I'll go for some I'll see the other places, and there's a T junction and a flying bite. I'll have something over here. At a cappuccino regular, huh? I mean, most of them, the passengers, some of the passengers are really roped, totally wrapped up themselves into some kind of, protective gears, and they look like astronauts. Majority of them are looking like astronauts. Here I am trying my level best to revive the economy by having a coffee. So that's so another thing I would like just to show you is there are a lot of seats. There are 2 seats, and you can see that is not in use, not for use. So there's one passenger is sitting, and then there is a seat which is left out, and finally there is another seat which is for passenger to sit. Shop, you can see totally deserted. Accessories is deserted. Ross Brunello is deserted. Hardly anyone buying. So this is an impact which has happened, and you can see them wearing some face shields. And this is the kind of impact which the coronavirus had on the economy. It's people are like not willing to spend at this particular point of time. I mean that the urge to spend has gone down. So that's basically a problem for the economy as a whole. Here I was talking not for use. So then there is a gap, and therefore look at this: the yellow straw, the gourmet junction, the T junction, everything is closed. Only one Flying Bits is open. Even Flores is closed. So this is as I was talking that since the number of passengers has gone down and people are not avoiding touch, so they are not having any food from any of the stalls. So this is it.